Hello everyone, welcome to Study Guide Forum. Welcome to another wonderful moment together. And here we have a question we need to look at. The question says that the velocity of sound wave is 330 meter per second at 0 degrees Celsius. And if the temperature is increased to 75 degrees Celsius, calculate the velocity and the change in velocity of the wave. Now, there's a change in temperature, which means we're going to find what happens, the velocity, what the velocity is likely to look like at this temperature. So, and to do that now, we know that our V1 is what? Our temperature, the first temperature is 0 plus 2. Oh, and then we have another one, the V2 is equal to unknown, and then the T2 is what? 75 plus 273, that will give us 348 Kelvin. Okay, now to find the velocity, we use our relation V1 over V2 equal to T1 over what? T2. Then we substitute to have the T V1 to be T V2 is, we don't know it, and then the T1 and then T2 is, so this is what we have. Then the next thing we do here is we open the bracket. By squaring both sides, we have this to be squared 330 squared over V2 squared equal to 273 all over what? 348. So when we cross multiply, we will have V2 to be equal to times 348 all over 2. That will give us equal to, that will have 1388176. So when we find the square root, we will square this. The final answer will then be 372.6 meter per second. That's the velocity. Now we have the velocity. Now we're going to calculate the change in velocity. The change in velocity then will be the initial velocity, the final velocity minus initial velocity will give us change in velocity. That means the final velocity is this minus our initial velocity, which is this one. Then if we subtract, we have 2.6 meter per second. That's the final answer. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you.